right, boys and girls, welcome to Chord and Guitar. What a great song coming out here from Fontaines D.C. All right, it's a very special band and I like their song. So this one is the best, in my opinion, from the latest releases. So we'll cover this song called Bug. And if you love Fontaines D.C, make sure you subscribe to Chord and Guitar. More songs will come out from me covering Fontaines D.C, that's for sure. So yeah, that said, let's go into the Bug song here, and we're gonna do that without any capo, so no need for any other setup than just to grab the guitar and start to play. But first we need to go over the chords needed for this song. So we're gonna start from the beginning. We have one main pattern that goes in the same order almost through the entire song. So we're gonna start with those chords, and that is the E minor. All right, we have the open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. That's how you put your fingers on the fretboard, and that creates E minor. Next chord is the C G chord. All right, so that goes third on E string, third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And then we have the A. That is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. We have C now. You had C G before. That was with the G note on the third fret E string added. Now just the plain C. So that is the exact same grip, but you need to recuperate your fingers a little bit to this position, all right? So that gives us third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Yeah, so there you have the plain C chord, and then we have the D, and you know what? This D we're gonna use for this song is this version, all right? So you have the exact same grip as the C, but you just take the same grip and move it 2 frets towards your body like this, and you land at this position with your ring finger or a finger on the 5th fret A string, then 4th D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. And with that, we have covered all chords needed for the Bug song. So let's go into this. And yeah, I mentioned we have one main pattern. We're gonna learn that first. And I'm gonna take you through this chord by chord and how to work with the strumming there. So we have E minor first. So grab that chord and you're gonna play down, 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 up, down. Okay, so down, 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 up, down. Then you go to the C G and play up, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so up, up, down, and then down, up, down, up. So far we learned E minor and the C G, and it goes like this. And we'll move on with A. You're gonna play the same as you played for E minor. So down, 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 up, down. And then you have the C to D, and now you're gonna start in the same way as you start the C G, you're gonna start the C. So up, up, down, and that's it. So. And then you shift to this D chord and play up, up, down, up. And that ends the main pattern here. All right, so we learned the E minor and C G first, and then we went into the A part, and that is played in the same way as E minor. So down, 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 up, down. Then comes C, just up, up, down. And then D, up, up, down, up. And that ends it, all right? So I'm gonna take you through one round slowly first, and then I'm gonna speed up to play a couple rounds of the standard tempo. So starting from E minor and move on with the slower tempo. right, in standard tempo. It's almost addictive to play this one, especially if you are a guitarist. It feels good, it sounds good, especially with this CG chord a little bit darker. Yeah, it's hard to explain if you're not there, but I think you are. We are learning the guitar and we are moving towards being guitarists, of course. So anyway, let's move on with this song. That was the main pattern, but then we have the chorus part, and it happens about 1 minute and 28 seconds into the song, but also in 2 and 13, I believe at least 2 times. And yeah, I think it's those 2 times. So at that part, we're gonna play a little bit differently. In the lyrics, the first time is will you apologize? That is what they sing there at 1 and 28. So you can find that one. Anyway, let's look at it. And we're gonna start with A. You're gonna play down, 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 up, down, okay? And then up, up, down, up, down, up. I think when you learn this, you're gonna recognize the patterns here, but I'm gonna explain them for you anyway. So the first part of A is down, 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 up, down. In the same way as you played E minor. So. But then you stay with the A and continue with up, up, down, up, down, up. In the same way as you ended with C and D together, all right? So you continue with all that part as the second part of this A. So up, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so that is A. So you're gonna play down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then you shift to C and play the starting of A, the down, 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 up, down. And then you shift to E minor, the final chord, and play the second part of A, up, down, down, up. And that is one chord progression, all right? So A, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, C, down, down, up, down, E minor, up, down, up, like this. That is one round. In the first chorus part at 1 minute and 28 seconds into the song, you're gonna play this for 2 chord progression rounds. In the second part, second chorus at 2 minutes and 13 seconds, I believe it's there somewhere, you're gonna play for 4 rounds. And all the other time in this song here, you're gonna play the main pattern, the E minor, C, G, A, C, and D. You have all the tools now, guys, to handle Fontaines D.C, a cool song called Bug. I think this is the best one, but if you like songs from the new album here, stay tuned here on Guitar Guitar. More is coming out, a couple of them at least. So yeah, hope to see you soon. Until next time, play tuned.